Alright guys, hello. Alright, I'm back. I guess this is video number 2. My 2006 Honda 1000RR new fairing kit install. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Alright, so like I said, this needs to be squeezed on here without damage. It's easier to go from here and scoop it in and stretch it out like I did in video 1. Alright, so hard part is to not scratch and fuck up the new fairings, mess up the new fairings. So it's easier if you curve this side in, and then over here, you flex it while you try to squeeze it on, like this. Maybe lift the other side up and try to flex/squeeze both of them on. If that doesn't work, I'm going to try and go this way, like a plane landing. So wish me luck. Alright, so that worked. Actually, I took it off again, and I came from this side first, and then I scooped it towards the other side and then bent it over. Just going really slow and careful to clear everything underneath the bike, and that worked awesome. That worked good. So now all I gotta do is just put the bolts in here, 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 and here, and then move on to the top piece. Reattach the light, and good. I'm gonna take a break for pizza, close this garage up, come back, and then finish this tonight. All right, everyone. After I got the tail on, looks good, looks clean. Sorry, I turned my garage light on. I took some time to have dinner and other crap. Time to put the tail top on. So it's easy, just slide that shit on. Hey everyone. Alright, next step is the tank cover. Easy to install, man. Just insert like this really slow, trying not to scratch it, and get it on there. I need 2 hands, so I'm putting this down. Putting my phone down. Alright, looks like it's going on. Should be on there soon. When you line it up based on this. You line this up, the rest of it's going to line up properly. It should, anyway. Man, I'm not going to want to spill any gas on this thing at all. All right, I'm going to check the other side. All right, let me 2-hand it, get it on, bolt it in. All right, there you have it, folks. It took some stretching. I had to stretch the fairings. Don't let me explain. I had to like squeeze it on here, and I had to like pull and stretch. It took some time. Probably took 5 minutes to get this on, and then transfer all the bolts over. It didn't come with a bolt kit. Anyway, next step is to put, you know what? I'll put these side pieces on at the end. I'm going to say put them on now. I guess I could. Yeah, let's go put these side pieces on right now. And then we'll do the head. Alright, to transfer the headlight assembly, it's not that hard. I've done this before. Take out these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then undo these. And the whole thing should come out. Okay, and after you remove that, that piece, you have to remove that center bolt that's holding it on. Alright, time to put the nose on, the head, whatever. Easiest way to do this is to lift it in there, slide the support piece into the holes, and then plug the wiring harnesses in right away. And it'll hold itself up till you bolt it down. Alright, see that? I gotta go wash my hands. It's getting dirty from grease. So I did. I put the 2 things in, slid it in, connected the wiring harness, and then attached the top to these holes. And now it's good. The next step is to connect the bottom wiring harness. I think I might keep this piece. I don't know. I'm going to check it. If it's broken, I will get rid of it. If it's not broken, I will keep this piece and not use the new one. Because I'm being a lazy ass. I don't feel like transferring all this shit. Would then be slide everything in, connect the bottom wiring harness, put the windshield on. Okay. Next step, I'm going to put the windshield on, bolt the top down, run the wires for the mirrors, and get that done. And then I'll do the side pieces. Almost done. Time to go. Let's go. All right. Hello? Okay, so, man, I tell you, what a job. So it didn't come with a bolt kit, which sucks. So it's been taking me a little extra time to transfer all the hardware and the gear I need from my old fairings onto the new fairings. So the next one is going to be put on the front fender. Yeah, transfer everything without damaging it, you know? I can't wait. Yes, I could order a new bolt kit, but I don't want to. I'm just going to use this and install it. So simple. Just slide it in there, put the screws back on, and you're done. You know, transfer the hardware over. No big deal. And then bolt it down. So I'm going to do that right now. I'll show you what it looks like after. I could try and do it one-handed, but it's just going to slow me down, and I want to get this done. It's starting to get late. So far, I'm about an hour and 10 minutes into the install because I had to transfer everything. I transfer these grommets and grommet holders from the old one onto the new one and stuff like that. All right, everyone. Well, I forgot where I left off, taking too many breaks. So what I did was I actually got my side fairing on. I put this one in first and hooked it in because it has to latch on underneath here into that hole, and then you put a screw in there, and then it has to lock in here, and it has a tab that locks in here, and then you bolt it down. Again, I don't have a proper bolt kit. I didn't get one. I'll have to get one. So bolt it down, attach the blinker, bolt it down again. The next step is to go and do the other side, and then after we do the other side, we can then start putting on the belly pans. For me, yes, mine is a hole because I have my frame sliders that I put on, aka people call it stunt kit, and then I have to bolt it down under here after I put the other side on. Bolt here, bolt there, and so forth. All right, the key to this side was putting it in here first and then snapping it in here. And then the rest of the fairing just holds itself up. All right, I'm gonna bolt this down now. All right, done. Man, what a project. I'm getting there. Next steps. I wish I could move these wires out of the way. It's okay. Next steps, I'm going to button down up here with the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then start working on the belly pan. Wish me luck. All right, and for my next magic trick, I went ahead and pre-drilled my hole for my slider, stunt cage, whatever, and I cut some heat shrink, some heat wrap, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to put it on. And then I'm going to bolt this up. It would be easier to... Oh, shit, I got to cut this edge off. Ooh, I'm going to have to cut that edge off. Anyway, it'd be easier to put that bolt on first and then the front ones. And I should have enough clearance down there. Oh, this is going to be sick. You know what? I think I'm going to put some heat wrap. Nah, that should be fine. Yeah, down there should be okay. Oh my god, that looks better. I cannot believe it. Damn, I cannot believe it. Bike looks so much better. Alright, time to do the other side. Oh my god, home stretch. Okay, time to put on the last piece. I cut the heat shield, I put it on, I pre-drilled my hole for my thing. And just get it up there. Just line it up and put that bolt in, put the other bolt in, and then lock in all those tiny bolts on the bottom. And we're done.